Good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the poem. And the poem name is Adventures of Isabelle. Okay. So, in the previous video lesson, I have told you about Adventures of Isabelle. Right? There was a girl whose name is Isabelle. Okay. And she is on an adventure. So, for the first time, she met with a bear, and the bear was very enormous. It was very huge, right? And bear was ravenous, means he was very hungry, okay? And the mouth of the bear was very cruel and cavernous, means it was like a cave. So, now bear said to Isabelle that I am very happy, I am very glad to meet you. And now he said that I want to eat you. So Isabelle didn't worried about anything, right? She was a courageous girl. She was a brave girl. So she didn't worried about anything. Isabelle neither screamed, means neither she shouted, and nor she scurried. Scurry means neither she went away from that place. Okay, so now today we will continue with the other lines of the poem. She washed her hands and she straightened her hair up. So now what she is doing? She is washing her hands and now she is straightening her hairs. After washing her hands and straightening her hairs, Isabelle quietly ate the bear up. Means after washing her hands and after straightening her hair, Isabelle has done what? She has ate the bear. Means she has eaten the bear. Now, once in a night as black as pitch, Isabelle met a wicked old bitch. So now what happened? There was a night and the night was black, right, as a pitch. So now what happened? Now Isabelle met with a wicked old witch. So now there was a witch which was what? Which was wicked. Wicked means she was very evil. She was very bad. As you know, that witch is what? Witch is a very good thing. No. So witch will be what? She will be evil. She always think bad of everyone and anyone. So that is why she was a wicked old witch. Okay. Now, the witch face was cross and wrinkled. Means witch face. Means now we are talking about the face of a witch. So, her face was wrinkled. As you know that whenever we grow old, there are so many wrinkles on our face. Our face look bad as we grew older, right or not? So that is why, since the witch is what? She is a old witch. So that is why her face was having so many wrinkles on her face, right? The witch gums with teeth were sprinkled. Means witch gums with teeth were sprinkled. Her teeth was also sprinkled. Means it was randomly placed here and there. As in a normal person, teeth are placed properly, right or not? So, but since she was a bitch, she was not having her teeth properly. Okay? Now, ho ho, Isabelle the old witch crowed. Now, Isabelle. Now, the witch is crowing. Crowing means she is shouting in a very crowed manner. Crowed manner means in a very coarse way. Means the voice which you do not like. As you know that if a bird is singing something and if a crow is singing something, which voice you will prefer to listen? Obviously, you will prefer to listen the voice of a crow. No? Right or no? Yes or no? No, obviously you will not like to listen the voice of a crow. You will like to listen the voice of a bird, right or not? Sparrow, right? So, in this way also, in this poem also, she was shouting like a crow, means in a very bad manner. She was shouting, "Ho ho, Isabel, I will turn you into an ugly toad." So now what she is saying? She is saying that I will turn you, means I will change you into an ugly toad, means into an ugly frog. Okay. So, now Isabel, didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. So again, as you know that Isabel didn't worry about anything, and neither Isabel screamed, neither she shouted, and neither she went from that place. She showed no rage and she showed no rancor. Means neither she is showing that she is feeling very panicked, she is feeling very troubled. She is not showing these types of feelings on her face, right? And neither she is showing any type of rancor. Rancor means resentment, anger, okay? But she turned the witch into milk and drank her. Now what she has done? She has turned the witch into milk, which was saying that she will turn Isabel into a toad, into a frog. But now what happened? Opposite happened, right? Now Isabel has turned the witch into milk, and after turning the witch into milk, she drank the entire milk. Okay? Now, Isabel met a hideous giant. So now she met with an hideous giant, means a very big, huge giant. Isabel continued self-reliant. Again now she is what? She is self-reliant. Self-reliant means a person who can care for herself or himself on her own, who do not need anyone to protect herself or himself, means self-reliant, self-capable. So as you know, she was a brave girl, she was a courageous girl, so she was self-reliant. First of all, she dealt with the bear, after that she dealt with the witch, and now she has to deal with the hideous giant, a huge, enormous giant. Okay? Now, the giant was hairy, the giant was horrid. As you know, the giant was what? It was hairy, means there were so many hairs on the body of the giant. And the giant was horrid, means it was horrible after seeing the giant, means it was very, very horrible. He had one eye in the middle of his forehead. As you know that every human being are having two eyes on their face. But since it was a giant, he was only having one eye on his forehead. Okay? Now what he is saying? "Good morning, Isabel," the giant said. Now giant is saying, "Good morning, Isabel. I will grind your bones to make my bread." Now he is saying that I will grind your bones, means as you know that in a body there are so many bones. So what he is saying that I will grind your bones, I will mix your bones to make my bread. I will make my bread after mixing your bones in it. Okay? Isabel didn't worry. Again, Isabel is not worried about anything. Okay? So, this is your classwork. You have to write down this poem from here. As you know, in the previous video lesson, you have written till here. Now you will write from here to here, and after that, this much. Okay? After that, leave a space for rest of the lines, and now come to the word meanings. Okay? So, this is the word meaning of the poem, and you have to write down the word meaning of the poem. Okay? I will explain you. Cavernous. What is the meaning of cavernous? a large dark cave-like space. Means a huge space like a cave. Concoctor. What is concoctor? Person who mixes ingredients to make something. Means a person who is mixing different types of ingredients to make something. Okay. Crowed. Crowed means shouted with delight. Hideous. Hideous means very ugly, very horrible. Pitch. Pitch means a black sticky substance made from tar. Rancor. What is rancor? Long-standing bitterness or resentment. Means anger. Ravenous. Ravenous means very hungry. Scurry. Scurry means move hurriedly with short, quick steps. Self-reliant. What is self-reliant? Able to rely on and look after. Okay. Now sprinkled. Sprinkled means randomly spread out. As you know, where you have to sprinkle salt. So what do? Do you spread all the salt at a one place? No. You sprinkle it. Means randomly at different places. Jew bag. Jew bag is what? A toasted crisp bread. Okay. So this is the word meaning for you. You have to write down in a new page and in a very good handwriting. Okay. So this was all about the lesson. Hope all of you have understand the poem properly. Thank you.